Excavations are man-made holes or depressions, while a trench is a type of excavation where the depth of the hole is larger than the width, such that the width at the bottom of the trench is not more than 15 feet. Excavations are dangerous if not planned properly and if safety precautions are not followed. This could result in incidents like cave-ins or collapses, falls, slips, trips, struck by injuries, and other hazards. Due to the dangers posed by excavations, the employer assigns a supervisor or a competent person who will monitor the site before and during excavation. Some responsibilities of the supervisor or competent person are classifying the soil which can affect the stability of the trench, locating electrical, gas, water, sewage, and other underground utilities, checking for possible signs of atmospheric hazards like harmful gas or chemicals, dust, vapor, and lack of oxygen, ensuring that the protective systems and equipment used in the excavation are suitable and sufficient, and constantly monitoring the site to prevent hazards. Cave-ins or collapsing of the soil in excavation pose the greatest risk for workers. Did you know that 1 cubic yard of soil is almost as heavy as a car? Falling soil results in injuries and death due to burying, crushing, and suffocation. That is why OSHA requires protective systems for excavations that are 5 feet deep or more. These can be summed up as slope it, shore it, shield it. Sloping or benching the sides of an excavation to the prescribed angle can help prevent cave-ins. Shoring uses aluminum, steel, or timber panels and a hydraulic force to support the sides of the trench. Using a trench box or shield protects workers in case the soil collapses. Always be mindful of your surroundings and be aware of these safety measures. Do not start digging if there are hanging objects, like electrical lines and machinery, above the excavation. Never dig until the site has been inspected by the supervisor and the underground utilities have been marked. Do not enter an excavation that is 5 feet deep or more without protective systems and structures. Never enter an excavation if you notice water or moisture, unless your supervisor has checked the situation and has provided all necessary safety precautions. Moisture can erode the sides of the excavation, making it difficult for workers to get out. Water accumulation can also cause flooding. Place the spoil or soil from an excavation and other equipment at least 2 feet away from the edge of the excavation. This prevents objects like boulders and equipment from rolling and falling into the trench while you are working. When going deep into an excavation, wear a harness with a lifeline. Use only the designated walkways. Do not walk across an open trench unless given consent by the supervisor. Always wear your hard hat and high visibility vest so you can be seen by your supervisor, fellow workers, and vehicles. If you are on the road, alert your supervisor of any other potential hazards on the site. According to OSHA, workers have the right to work in conditions that do not pose a risk of serious harm. During an excavation, make sure to take all necessary precautions to ensure safety in the construction site.